Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Code Like Him. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. Now let's see today's problem. Course set schedule 1. You are given n courses labeled from 0 to n minus 1 and 2D array prerequisites where the prerequisite equals to x comma y indicates that we need to take course y first if we want to take course x. Find if it is possible to complete all the tasks. Return true if all the tasks can be completed, or at false it is if it is impossible. So in this question, n is equals to the number of courses from 0 to n minus 1, and we are given a prerequisite array where we have x comma y. So what this indicates is, to complete the course x we need to complete the course y first. So this question can be just depicted in a form of a graph where we have n nodes labeled from 0 to n minus 1, and we have some edges between them. We can think of edges like x comma y as like edge from y to x. In order to complete course x we need to first complete y. So that's how we can draw a graph where there will be node x and y, and there is a edge, directed edge from y to x, which indicates that we need to take course y to complete the course x. So what we can do is we can then use BFS traversal to find out which are the nodes which do not have any inward edges. If a node doesn't have any inward edges then it means that this course can be completed because it doesn't have any dependency on the other courses. So we will start iterating our BFS traversal from these nodes, and we will be traversing the edges of these nodes, and by one. And whenever we traverse a new vertex, we will decrement its inward edges because we have moved from the node y to the node x, and we will decrement the inward edges of that x. And if that inward edges or n edges become 0, it means its dependency has been resolved and we can complete this course now x. And we will include that x for our BFS tables and BFS tables into that queue. So let's look at the code here. We will have this adjacency list, adjacency vector of vector, and the invert edges in edges. So we will traverse over the prerequisite array, and we will have an directed edge from y to x. So id of 1 to id of 0, and we will increment the invert edges for this x. So this is the code for this. Then we have queue. Whenever we find in edges of that particular node is 0, we will push into the queue. We will iterate it till the queue is not empty. We will get the size, and we will iterate over this level. For this level we will take the queue, we will pop it for first element, and we will traverse the adjacent element of that u, and we will decrement the in edges of that u. So whenever the in edges of that particular node is become 0, it means this queue, this node is now available to be can be completed because its dependency has been resolved, and we will add into the queue. In the end, we can check if all the in edges becomes equals to 0 for every node. It means that all the courses are completed, and we will return true. Otherwise, if there is any one node, be at least one node which have in edges not equals to 0, it means there is a circular dependency and we cannot complete that course. For example, if there is circular dependency, we have at least one node which have the in edges equals to 1. So that's how we will return false. So the time complexity will be simple, just BFS, so big O of n, and space complexity will be big O of n because we are using in edges array and adjacency list. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.